If you want to cancel a recurring payment on the Commbank app, it's really simple. Start by opening the Commbank app and logging in. From the home screen, tap on Accounts and select the account where the recurring payment is set up. Scroll down and look for upcoming payments or scheduled payments. Find the recurring payment you want to stop. Tap on it, and then choose Cancel Payment or Delete Series if it's part of a repeating schedule. Confirm your choice and the recurring payment will be removed. If you're using NetBank on desktop, you can log in, go to Transfers and BPAY, then Manage Scheduled Payments, select the recurring payment, and cancel it from there. Just remember there's a difference between a recurring payment you set up yourself, like a scheduled transfer, and a direct debit set up by a company. If it's a direct debit, it's best to also contact the business or subscription service directly to make sure they stop charging you, okay? And if the payment is linked to your debit or credit card, you'll need to cancel it with the merchant instead through the app. As it's log in, go to Scheduled or Upcoming Payments, cancel the one you don't need, and you're done. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.